Hi guys, this is Jerry, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'll show you a complete tutorial on how to connect and how to use your Android Auto system available on the GWM Haval Jolion. You can find all the timestamps down below if you want to skip forward in this video. And do not forget to subscribe and like, that's the best way to support this channel. Alright, here's what you need. A phone that supports Android Auto. For example, this is a Samsung. Another one is a cable. The cable has to be USB-A that connects to your ports underneath, and USB-C or whatever that connects to your phone. You want to use a really high quality cable or genuine cable from your factory. That means the connection is stable and solid. Next, you want to plug it into your phone, plug it into the socket that's on top of the USB set. The bottom one is only for charging, the top one is used for connection. After that, your phone will start charging, the Android Auto will show on the display. If it does not connect, the quick way to adjust this, on your phone, swipe it down and you can see the USB accessory connected. When the USB accessory is connected, tap here for options. You want to select transfer files or Android to Auto on your phone. If you do not select that, if you go to other USB connection or MIDI, it may not allow the device to transfer the Android Auto onto that screen. So that's how to connect with your USB connection for the Android Auto. Once it's connected, you can click this bar over here that allows you to see all the app that supports Android Auto over here. While you're on the home screen, you can click this and click Haval. That will go back to the home screen. You can click the Android Auto to go back. Another way to go back is do a small drop down from the top menu and click the home icon. Just like that, we're back in the home screen. On the Android Auto screen, on the left, that's your music information. You can swipe here. That's for you, that's again music information. On your right, that's your display panel for your navigation. Depends on what you like, you can click here and you can change your navigation to Waze or to Maps, whatever you like. You can also listen to music from Spotify or from other music resources that will display on the media panel in the center. For additional items, you can do messages, you can do phone calls, you can even do voice commands by clicking the voice icon on the screen. Press that. The Google Assistant will be on. You can just say, what's the weather like today?
Currently in Pukekohe, it's 58 degrees and cloudy. Today, it'll be rainy, with a forecasted high of 60 and a low of 55. By the way, next time...
Just like that, you can do all those things with the voice command. You can also press this icon over here to activate the voice command. You can also get the voice command to call someone, dial some numbers, or guide you somewhere to Pukekohe, to Botany, wherever. You can do that on the maps. And if you go into the maps, you can search history, you can search an address, you can go to your favorites, whatever you like on the navigation map. So that's pretty much it, how to use all these functions. That's it. And swipe it down, click home icon, we're back home, just like that. Alright, that's the end of this video. Hope you enjoyed the content. If you do not forget to subscribe and like. That's the best way to support the channel. As always, I will see you in the next video. Thank you very much.